If you're creating long form content on YouTube, but not consistently turning it into short form content across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, you name it, then you're leaving a massive amount of reach, views, and potential revenue on the table. Now, the problem is clipping content manually takes a lot of time, speaking from experience. Hiring editors to do it for you gets expensive really quickly. And most people just don't stay consistent enough to make it work. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use a tool called Vizard AI to take my long form YouTube videos and automatically turn them into high quality short clips that are optimized to perform on each specific platform. Now, this tool identifies the best segments and the highest chance of going viral with these specific clips. It adds captions. It creates keyword-rich descriptions with hashtags that fit each specific place that you're putting it, right? So it's different for YouTube, it's different for X, it's different for Facebook, and then it even auto-posts to all of those platforms when you click publish. It's crazy, okay? Now, this has completely replaced my editing workflow. It's completely replaced my short-form editor that I used to be paying, and it has saved me a ton of time and a ton of money and made it incredibly easy to scale quality content output to the point where I've even handed this off to my VA who now runs the entire process for me. You might have even seen like a ton of different shorts go across, over the past month across like all my different channels and all my different social medias. And that is how it's being run, right? This entire process is automated now. I don't do any of it. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works so you can start doing the same thing. Now, here we are in the back end of Vizard. It is my favorite by far. I've tried so many different tools. I've tried Simplified AI. I've tried Opus Pro. It's like Opus Clip now. I don't even know what it's called. I've tried GetMunch. I've tried literally all of them across the board. Vizard is the best for a ton of different reasons. A, I like the interface. B, I like the ease of use. C, I like the fact that it takes good clips and it also does everything else that all the other ones do as well. Like it optimizes those specific clips, picks pretty good, segments within your specific video, turns it into ready to post content with hashtags and specific descriptions for you, and posts with the click of a button, and you can connect your accounts. I love all that, right? That's all great. But what I also love is the amount that you pay for the output on Vizard is mind-blowing, okay? If you were to pay for this same output on somewhere like GetMunch or Opus Pro, you'd probably be paying hundreds of dollars a month, right? Everybody has their own subscription plans at like $20 or $50 or whatever the tiers are, right? But in my experience, anecdotally on all those other ones, paying like the $50 tier or even like the $99 tier or whatever it is, right? Because each one's slightly different, you still don't get that much output for how much you can actually run through the software, right? But Vizard has a ton of different credits for you on the actual, like the normal plan, right? So I don't even know what I pay, honestly. I think it's like $30 a month or something like that. Let me check. We'll go subscription here. I pay $30 and it gives you, I think, 600 credits a month, and 600 credits is equivalent to 600 minutes, right? So if you run an 8-minute video through, that's 8 credits. That's crazy, right? If you run a 15-minute video through, that's 15 credits, okay? So there's a ton of use cases for this, and you can get a ton of output for this. And as you can see, I still have 354 credits, and I put so many videos through this over the past month, just overall, right? So if you were to run a video through, I'll show you how it works in a second. This is the type of stuff that you're going to see, right? It's going to clip it just like all the other softwares out there. It's going to take different segments of that long form video and find the most viral pieces of those specific videos. Then you can also connect all your social media to this as well, so that when you click publish, it literally will format the descriptions for you with hashtags for each specific one. I'll show you here in a second. And then you can also, with the click of a button, either publish or schedule to all those platforms. And that's exactly what my VA does. So as you can see here, it's going to one of my YouTube channels. It's got a description in there. It's got a title in there. It's got tags in there for you. It also has the tags on YouTube as well, right? Also with hashtags. If you were to scroll down a little bit, it's got a different one for Instagram. It doesn't just repost the title. It doesn't repost the same one. It has each one formatted and exactly what it should be, optimized for that specific social media. So that's really great as well. You can also adjust the thumbnails if you want to. You can manage your accounts and connect your accounts from here. It's very easy, right? And I love that about that. But one of the other things I love about it is you can download it and also post it to other platforms if you want to. Or what I usually do is I'll trim and extend it. So if for whatever reason it gets like 95% of the way there with like most of the videos, right? It does a good job, but like one or two of them is slightly off with a word. You can always either edit it by opening it in the editor, or what we'll do is we'll trim and extend, which is a really useful tool. And by clicking this, you can then drag the words so it literally adjusts the clip. So as you can see, before we do that, it also tells you exactly what's being said in there. So you don't have to watch the video every single time. And it's going to increase the speed in which you can get these clips out, edited, or if you hand it off to a VA like I do, that your VA can go through and pick which clips are good, right? Versus which ones aren't. So it's literally saying, this is what it's saying in the video. If you want the truth about scaling on Etsy when you're dropshipping, and that's obviously advantageous because as you scroll through the script of being what's said in the video, you can see if it's a good clip or not, and then you can utilize it or not. And if it's slightly off to like a sentence or like a few words, you just click trim/extend. And then again, this whole thing drags for you so you can just select whatever you want. You can make it longer, however long you want. You can make it shorter, however short you want. And it's a really advantageous tool that I have been loving for the past like month or two. I tried it a year or two ago and really loved it as well. But I ended up going with Simplified because I had a deal set up with them. I was an affiliate for them for a while, and all of them are good, right? Simplified's good, GetMuch is good, Opus Pro is good. This is good, but again, the output here for what you're getting credit-wise for the price is unmatched. It's literally unmatched, and I've tried them all. So this one's a great tool as well. It does a great job, and as you can see, I use it in my own business, all right? That's the first use case because obviously you can take your long form and clip it to shorts and then publish them across social media very easily. If you've ever seen any of those clips where Gary Vee's like post 500 pieces of content, like this is exactly how you can really achieve that with like a one-person team or you yourself by just dedicating like 30 minutes a day to this. It's really easy. I outsource it to my VA. I don't even handle it anymore. That's one way, right? Another way that you can obviously use this is to post other people's YouTube videos if you don't have your own content to grow a TikTok affiliate page to 5,000 followers very fast, right? Literally 1 month of this will get you there. 600 credits probably gets you to that 5,000 follower mark if you're posting consistently. Game changer, okay? Another use case as well is one of the ways that I've been playing around with it recently is I have 2 channels that I pretty much post to or try to post to consistently. Obviously this one and then my second channel as well. The issue is I'm super busy in my e-com business and all the other things that I'm doing that I don't have a lot of time to create content like this for both of those channels. It's a large undertaking, right? And one of the things that I used to watch a ton of when I watched Joe Rogan on YouTube was I'd watch the normal JRE channel and then I'd also watch the JRE Clips channel, right? And now obviously he's on Spotify, so I'll typically listen to that podcast like at night or something like that. But a lot of people do this where they, even like Lex Freeman or a bunch of other people, they'll have their normal stuff and then they'll have like a clips channel where it's a lower investment for somebody to watch that. And it can take like the best segments of that long form podcast or that long form video and really shorten it up so that it's giving you more punch for that time frame and it's less time investment for people to watch it, right? And so you can achieve that same result with Vizard as well. So not only are you getting a ton of credits, this is a complete pitch for Vizard. Obviously there will be an affiliate link in this video. If you want to try it, I'll say that later in the description. It's a game changer. I'm telling you, this software is great because you can post the shorts, but then you can also have clips as well just using Vizard, and it does both of them. So as you can see here, it's taking clips, a 3-minute clip, a 1.5-minute clip. And again, same function here. You can make them now horizontal, not vertical, and then post them to your backup channel to get another clips channel going. So it's going to give you more content for that same video and potentially more views, more revenue, more affiliate, like whatever the case is, right? And same thing, you can obviously see what's being said in here. You can edit it, you can download it, you can publish it to all the specific social medias if you want to. You can also uncheck a few if for whatever reason you don't want to post this clip to one of them, but you want to post it to other ones. Love that feature as well. You can always manage your accounts in here by clicking manage accounts and then just connect your specific accounts. It's very easy, okay? And one of the things that I love about this as well is it's super easy to drag and drop it, right? So you can make it like 6 minutes if you want to by just trimming and extending it, all right? You get the picture. If you want a more detailed Vizard tutorial, I can make like an hour or 2 long tutorial about all the different ways that I use this. It's a game changer. I think I've said that like 20 times now because I genuinely believe it. So all you do to do either one of those is just click new project. You would go to YouTube, select whatever video that is. Right now for my channel, let's say that I was trying to clip one of my videos. If you have the video already on your computer, you could just upload that video. That works as well, right? If you already have the video file and it's yours. If not, let's say hypothetically I wanted to run this one through. I would take the URL on YouTube of this video, or if it was somebody else's, I would drop that link into Vizard just like you always would. And here's where you're picking the format, right? So obviously subtitles for me are going to be English. You can also upload a subtitle file if you want. I don't ever do that. It does a really good job of capturing it and creating the subtitles as well. They're like 99% accurate. I don't think I've ever really noticed much of a difference in what I'm saying and what the subtitles are reading. You can also remove those subtitles if you want to as well. I usually keep them. You can click get clips and then you basically want to upload it. All right. Now, when you're uploading this, all you're going to do here is select the ratio of what you want to do, right? So if you want shorts, right, you would go 9:16, so they're vertical. And then you can pick the style of shorts. There's a bunch of different ones, a bunch of different options here. I typically go with tech, but there's a bunch of different ones that look great, okay? Then you click get AI clips after you select the ratio, which is the vertical, obviously, for shorts, and the length that you want. Obviously, if you're going like short versions, you probably want them a little bit shorter. So I'd say like any length or under 30 seconds, and you can check multiple different ones here. So if I was going shorts, I'd probably go this route where I'm going like 30 seconds or 30 seconds to 60 seconds and vertical, right? And then I'd put a specific template that I liked in there. I'd probably go tech. If I wanted to go clips and not like the short form vertical content, then I would switch it and I'd go 16:9. And then I would change the clip length here from those short clips to 90 seconds to 3 minutes, and then even over 3 minutes as well. And that way, again, you're getting that same kind of rough result, but now you're going horizontal instead of vertical. And then all you do is you click get AI clips after you pick the specific style there. And again, it's just going to run it through the software, and in about 5-10 minutes, depending on how long the video is, it's going to come out with the results of those clip specific videos. And then you can adjust them, edit them, trim them, and then post them to wherever you want or schedule them over time. And it's a really advantageous tool that really gives you a ton of different options here just using this and a ton of different credits. All right. So as you can see, this is one of the easiest ways to start getting more out of the content that you're already creating. Instead of letting your long form videos sit in one place, you can turn them into multiple short form pieces that reach entirely new audiences across every major platform without spending hours editing or paying an expensive team to do it for you. It saves you time, it cuts down on your costs, and most importantly, it gives you more chances to hit those high performing clips that actually drive views, followers, and revenue. So if you want to try Vizard AI for yourself, as you can see, I use it in my own business like I'm showing you here. I'll have a link down in the description where you can get started along with a free trial or discount code depending on what's currently available with them. Like I mentioned before, I've tested a lot of different tools in this space over the past few years, and this one gives you the best balance of performance and output for the price by far. As a thank you as well for watching this all the way through, I'll drop a 50% discount link to my TikTok affiliate jumpstart course in the description as well if you want to take advantage of that. If you want to take this strategy even further and actually turn this content into real results, that's going to help you put everything kind of together in the right way. As always, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one.